back. Today's the day. The doubles. What are we doing? We're going on 2 different patterns, 37 feet and 42. I've been delegated to the short pattern because I like the urethane ball. It's the only thing I pull decent on. So, Mikey's world, I'm just living in it.
I wish. You make it sound like I was like top seed.
I mean, you're pretty up there for everybody now.
Kind of both okay.
We're both pretty good this week. And it's not over yet. Still got 3 more days to bowl. Hopefully 3 more shows to bowl.
It's just beginning.
Yeah. So we're starting some practice and then it's time to go to work.
Who's nuts?
You know. All right, we're on break. Drilled a ball. I threw the IQ Nano, the IQ Emerald. I threw a lot of IQs that round. I'm bowling on the short, drilling a stronger IQ Nano. Hopefully it's good. We're about 70 out of the show. What's up?
What's up, man?
And let's see if it's done. Are we good to go, Keith? There she is. It's the magic ball.
It is. That's the one.
The one. She's ready. Is that the one?
It's the one right here, baby.
The one, the IQ Nanner.
I think it's time to change.
Is it? Last time I changed balls, I wrapped 10 twice, and I ended up going to the same ball, and I just...
Well, you said you're averaging like 180, 190, so you don't have much to lose.
Should I at least move first so I know and I don't waste 2 frames?
No, nobody cares. Agreed. Just change balls. Simon, how's your block going? Mid-block interview.
I think it's probably going about as good as ours.
Averaging 190, losing every game.
We're still balling a tournament.
How about that ball change?
Felt like that was pretty clutch.
Did you ball change?
I tripped the 4 out.
That's close. Throw a little slower.
Slower?
Move left.
Oh yeah, definitely move left.
Always big wheel.
I don't think throw slower.
You know what they say? Big time shots Big time shot maker. Needs a double to win. Clutch can't make the show, but move up a lot.
Doing good. Come on for me. If there was a lane for it to happen on, well, that had to be top 5 shots I've ever thrown in the clutch, execution-wise. Sometimes
It wasn't bad.
the bowling center just puts it in you. Sometimes.
Say it with your chest.
Sometimes. You know what? Aboard BJ though, he's in the running. They need the pin.
You're not upset.
I'm not super upset. I mean, we're in 14th. We bowl a really good game. Maybe we could put up 10th, but
You get upset.
I made 2 good shots. I would never throw a game.
Yeah.
You gonna win this? Am I going to win this? I would say yes.
Wait, okay, I like that response.
Myself
I like that response.
and Tom Doherty will win this.
Ooh, team player.
Absolutely.
Hell yeah.
All about team players, man.
Gotta love dad. Gotta love dad.
Gotta take care of my kids.
Dad's the man. He's gonna win this. He's gonna be a two-time champion.
Two-time champion. That'd be sweet.
Two-time.
Ride the doubles coattail.
Into
That'd be pretty sick.
I know how that is. I know how that is. But for real though, good bowling.
Thank you.
You're a beast.
I appreciate it.
Partner's a beast too. Yeah.
Lit him up today. It's beautiful.
Lit him up.
They always told me horse jockeys are little. I believe them.
Take care of my guy. Treat him right when I'm riding his back.
I would never worry.
Well, good luck, fellas.
Appreciate it, man.
Wow, what a finish to the tournament! Kyle needed a double in the tent. You guys saw it in the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going home. Yeah, this is the last vlog you're gonna see on this channel from the World Series of Bowling 2021. I had a terrible time. I hope you enjoyed the vlogs out, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!